The mandatory wearing of masks in public spaces comes into effect today. Legal notice of the amended Public Health Ordinance regulations was issued on Monday following debate in the Senate on the weekend. Among the amendments to the regulations which aim to stop the spread of COVID-19, a fixed penalty fine for those found without reasonable excuse not wearing a mask or face covering in public spaces or while traveling in a vehicle or vessel. Children too are being encouraged to wear masks, as any child over the age of 8 found in public without a face mask can be fined $1,000. The Act states if the child is accompanied by an adult, whether a parent or guardian, the adult will face the fine instead of the child. If the child is under 8 years, neither they nor the parent or guardian will be prosecuted if the child does not have a face mask or covering. The new public health regulations remain in effect until September 12. Minister of Social Development and Family Services Donna Cox has dismissed claims by opposition Senator Jerlene John that members of the public were not sufficiently educated about the importance of wearing face masks as a means of preventing the spread of COVID-19. In the upper house on Saturday, Ms. Cox said it was unfortunate that government had to come to the chamber to make mask wearing law. And on that note, she added, it is clear that good behavior cannot be legislated. Instead, it is a personal choice.
I remember at the close of every press conference that at some point since March, it was daily, I would exhort together with the Minister of Health and the public health officials, I will exhort the population to sanitize, wash your hands, practice social distancing methods, and of course, wear a mask.
During her contribution, Senator Cox also reminded of the fora where information on mask wearing was shared with members of the public. Among those, social media platforms, television and radio advertisements, and on all platforms, she said information was also available to Spanish-speaking members of the public.
The reality is that the moderate approach employed before of moral suasion and persuasion is one that we realize that, the population has not been listening. So at this point in time, we now have to rely on compulsion as our last resort.